These were strange, Barry, almost like October-like temperatures.
Yeah, you thought it was cool. Well, we can confirm that with some record low high temperatures across the region. We just missed by 1 degree in Boston. You have to go way back to 1926 for the previous low, but a new record low in Worcester, Providence, and Hartford, all in the 60s, and some of them were beat by 3 or 4 degrees. How about that? So Boston 67, 15 degrees below what we should be having for an average high, but not up to the 100 that we had back in 1995. Those were the readings today. Hard to believe it was a July day, but there's a lot of hot weather all across the nation, and it's coming back to New England. So we did get that cool air, but these fronts are coming along, and it's producing a few more scattered showers now as this one final system comes through. There's been some showers and storms in northern Vermont. Some breaking out here in central Massachusetts. Not expecting any severe weather overnight, but just a scattering of showers into tomorrow morning. And then it looks like there should be some brightening, some breaks in the clouds, some sun pops through. That fuels a few more scattered showers and an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. But again, no support for any severe weather. But at least the temperatures are going to be starting to rise tomorrow. We may get some low clouds tomorrow night, but then they'll break out and burn off during Sunday. So that's the way it looks right now, as we have temperatures which are going up tomorrow to lower 70s of the coast, upper 70s away from the ocean, so that's a nice recovery from what it was today. And the dew points are going to be climbing, so it's going to get muggy again after we've had a couple of refreshing days here with dew points in the 50s. They'll climb right up into the high zone here over the next several days. Not a great beach day tomorrow, but at least it'll turn brighter in the afternoon. Some breaks of sunshine, but watch out for a passing shower or an isolated thunderstorm. High tides late in the afternoon. Water temperatures are high. Cape Cod and the islands will have its best day on Sunday, with the temperatures going in the upper 70s then. There could be an isolated shower tomorrow, and then the lakes and the mountains going up there, similar story. A few scattered showers tomorrow, but then it looks like Sunday should be the nice day. Here's your forecast for the next 7, and it gets right back to summer here. Mid-80s on Sunday, upper 80s on Monday. Some showers and storms may keep it a bit cooler on Tuesday, then we nudging 90 after that. David and Lisa, have a nice weekend.
All right, you too, Barry.